This is the Pythonic Accountant, and today we're going to take a look at Claude 3.7, which is a really powerful, really nice advanced model, and we're going to play with having it write a program for us. So Claude 3.7 Sonnet, available for paid users. You can check the extended box, which allows you to do extended thinking, and that will make it a little bit more intelligent when it comes to doing things like programming. And let's go ahead and take a look. So if you click on the drop down here, you can check the normal box or extended. So we're going to use extended. And we've got Claude 3.7 Sonnet selected. And we're going to ask it to please make me a, let's see, tax accountant simulator. Let's spell that correctly. I want this to let me click around in a virtual physical office, talk to coworkers, get coffee, get paper tax returns, etc. So not as much about the actual tax work, more about the in-office activities and moving around. Make it fun and modern looking, mobile friendly. So let's see what this does. So it's gonna try to make me a simulator here. I tried to steer it away because if I didn't say anything, it would probably try and use more accounting, like math type simulation, which is fine and fun for some cases. But here I want to make it more like a traditional video game where you can kind of make it walk around and do things. So Claude had a problem here. Let's try again. Let's try again. So yeah, what it's going to do is first it's going to come up with its plan, and it came up with a plan pretty quickly. It just took 4 seconds to decide what it wanted to do. Now it's writing its code. You can see here it's very quickly crafting the video game, and we'll see what it comes up with. I see it's talking about coffee, so that's exciting. I see a briefcase. A lot of times it'll use like little emojis. I think I just saw a donut, so that's going to be fun. So yeah, we'll see what it does, and if we want to modify it a little bit, have it do some more features, we can do that. But it'll be fun to see what it comes up with. All right, so it doesn't have what I was hoping for, is kind of walk around the physical space, but let's see what it does let me do. So your desk, your organized sort of workspace with a computer, some photos, and stacks of documents. I can decide to go to the break room, file room, talk to coworkers, or work. I have inventory. I have messages. I can click on these different things. Let's go ahead and let's try break room, see what happens. I'm going to eat a donut. Didn't really impact my stress or energy. You ate a donut. Delicious. That's great. How about drink coffee? Ooh, okay. Decreased stress and increased energy. That's great. Let's read the bulletin. IRS is getting stricter this year. Gossip. Very nice. Let's check the filing room, see what happens. All right, get a tax return. And I picked up a tax return. File some papers. Oh, I filed a tax return. That's great. Organize files. Go back to my desk. Let's do some work, see what happens. Work. You pretend to work for a while. Oh, that's good. Pretend to work for a while again. Let's talk to some coworkers. Let's talk to Mark. Stress went down. Talk to Sarah. Stress went down. Talk to Jen. Stress went down. That's great. My stress goes down just by talking to my coworkers. That's nice. Filing room. Organize files. Back to desk. Okay, looks like I'm kind of done here. Can I call somebody? You answered a client call about deductions. You checked your calendar, meeting at 2. Enjoyed coffee. Okay, cute. But I was kind of hoping for something more representing the physical space. Nice, but I was hoping to have more of a 2D map where I can click or walk around, interact with objects and people. Let's see if it's able to rewrite it to do that. Now it's planning. navigating 2D office space. And again, it only thought for a few seconds, but it thought long enough to kind of make a plan for what it wanted to do. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, let's take a look. It looks like it made some pretty interesting decisions and improvements here. So we have a physical space. Ooh, that's kind of cool. I click a button and it navigates, although it looks like it's off by a little bit. So if I want to go here, if I want to go to my desk, do I have to click over here? Yeah, it looks like it. It kind of moves me around to different places. A little bit different than what I was hoping. Yeah, like if I click on Mark, it moves me way over there. So if I click here, does it go to Mark? Okay, there we go. But how do I interact with people? So click around the office to interact. Click anywhere on the office map to move. Click on objects or people to interact with them. All right. So since it's off by a little bit, how do I get Mark? There we go. Mark is working on some complicated returns. Interact. Tax season. Am I right? Hang in there. Nice. Let's try the printer. Again, I think it might be. I don't know if I can interact with the printer. Oh, I got the filing cabinet. Interact. You picked up a tax return to work on. Oh, I've got tax return in my inventory. Let's go to my desk. There we go. Check your email or look up tax regulations. What did I do? You checked some tax regulations. Fascinating stuff. This is interesting. All right, let's go to the donut box. I think that's a good place to wrap this up. Oh, close, almost there. There we go. Donuts. Have one? Yes. You ate a donut. Sugar rush incoming. So we've got high energy, moderate stress, not too bad. Let's get some coffee, and then I think that'll be good. Interact. Ooh, good. More energy, less stress. That's awesome. Oh, wait a minute. Did I just see a water cooler? I thought it was a wine cooler. That'd be pretty cool. Let's go to the water cooler. There we go. Water cooler. You grab a drink of water and over here some office gossip. So pretty interesting. Not super useful from a actual practical accounting purpose, but I think it's pretty interesting that you can create something that looks pretty legit like this for a mini little accountant simulator with just a couple minutes of just typing in what you want, not even doing any actual coding. Well, if you enjoyed this, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you at the next one.